Welcome back to another video. I thought I'd make a real quick video here about Chevy emblems. As you can see behind me, I have the American flag decal. This is the second time I've ordered the decals. The first time I messed up the back one. I didn't have a heat gun and I ended up only doing the front because the back was kind of like a learning curve. But this time I have a heat gun. I made sure I cleaned it. I got a nice clean razor. So this is a real quick video on how to. I did the back, I'll show you up close, and then I'll show you the front. It's not bad. It's not the greatest quality. The ones off eBay were a lot better. They were really thick vinyl. This one seems kind of thinner. I have to be a lot more careful with it. Maybe it's because I'm using a heat gun. But I'm gonna spin the truck around and then I'll show you how I installed it. Okay, first step, clean it off. I just used a basic cleaner, got all the bugs off of it, made sure it was clean. Make sure there is no water down in the cracks, but it's clean, it's ready to go. So now we'll put the decal on. Take our rectangle decal. Basically, all I did was I went and measured the emblem and took it to my local guy who does all the signs and graphics here in town. And this cost me $15 online. Like I said, I think it's a little thicker vinyl, and I paid $10 free shipping on eBay. It's just big enough to fit over the emblem. I'm gonna stick it on, use my little wedge here, and once I get it on, I hit it with the heat gun to kind of get it to shrink up a little bit. Not sure if that's when you're supposed to do it or not, but that's what I do and it works out. So you'll see me put this on. I'll show you when I cut it. You can see that it is on, and you can see the outlines of where I've pressed in, and basically I'm going to go around the edge so that it'll inset inside of there with a razor blade. So that's what it looks like so far. Now we'll go through the cutting process. So here's the final product. As you can see, it looks great. The hardest part is getting that groove. As you can see, you know, it's not perfect, but that's the hardest part, is getting that groove right there to make it look nice and flush. But as you back up, it looks pretty good. That is how you install a decal onto an emblem. So a lot of people do black, a lot of people do the same color as their truck. I wanted to do something different. It's Memorial Day weekend, so why not do some flags? So I'll put some pictures right here and show you the final in the sun. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm gonna make a ton of videos, reviews, boat stuff, truck stuff, and some vlogs here and there. And hope you enjoy them.